Hello, multi-state nurses. Big changes are coming your way, and it's crucial to stay in the know. And today, we are diving into an important update for multi-state nurses in the Nurse Licensure Compact, or NLC. The nursing profession is evolving rapidly, and multi-state nurses, listen up. A significant update is rolling out, impacting the way you practice across state lines. The Enhanced Nurse Licensure Compact is on the horizon, and it's set to be effective from January 2, 2024. Now, let's break down the key aspects of this game-changing update. First up, we have the transition from the current Nurse Licensure Compact to the Enhanced Nurse Licensure Compact. The eNLC takes the NLC's foundation and elevates it, introducing additional safeguards and requirements to enhance patient safety and uphold the highest nursing practice standards. Now, let's talk about a significant change under the eNLC, the requirement for multi-state nurses to undergo a fingerprint-based criminal background check. This is a crucial step to ensure patient safety. No red flags allowed. Multi-state nurses, get ready to declare your primary state of residence. Your PSOR is your home base, determining your eligibility to practice under a multi-state license. This ensures clarity and aligns with the principles of the eNLC. Earning a multi-state license under the eNLC? Here are the requirements: licensure in your home state, accredited education, NCLEX exam completion, clean license record, and no felony convictions. Rigorous, but it's about ensuring competence and patient safety. Breaking news from the Interstate Commission of Nurse Licensure Compact Administrators. Residency rules are evolving. The new rule, effective January 2, 2024, requires multi-state licensees to apply for a license in the new party within 60 days of changing residence. Whew, that was a lot. But these changes are designed to maintain the highest standards of patient care and safety. It's essential to stay informed, and here's how you can do it. Subscribe to NEAC's newsletter. Knowledge is power, especially in the fast-paced world of nursing. Now, multi-state nurses, navigating these changes can be a challenge, but worry not. If you're eyeing that USRN license endorsement, our friends at NEAC Medical Exams Application Center Incorporated have your back. Benefit from NEAC's streamlined application process, robust support, and a commitment to your success. Connect with them through Messenger or shoot them an email. They're here to help you on your journey. So what are you waiting for? Stay informed, adapt to change, and start your USRN license endorsement application today. Your future in nursing is bright, and we are here to support you every step of the way. Click that button and let's make this transition seamless. Until next time, stay inspired and keep making a difference in the world of healthcare.